Hi, I'm Edison Oribiana. I'm the Business Development Director of Asian Coatings Philippines Incorporated. And we welcome you to the 47th UAP National Convention. Asian Coatings Philippines Incorporated is the manufacturer of Rain or Shine Elastomeric waterproofing paints, the leading elastomeric paint brand in the country today. And also we have the Arcon ready-to-use skim coat. We also have Sista, our sealant brand, and we are very excited to introduce to you the Alpha Chroma premium paint that will cater to the premium market. So watch out for that.
Hello, good morning everyone. So we'll given 2 TV and 3 cell phone for the raffle draw.
As a part of Rain or Shine, I personally use Rain or Shine, being a family man myself. Odorless paints are very special to me for my kids. Able to still work in my house without having to move everyone out is very convenient.
I do personally recommend Rain or Shine because I already tried it sa bahay ko. Kumbaga maganda, safe pag gamitin, and hindi kayo magsisisi.
So I would like to invite all of you to try our products, especially our Rain or Shine Elastomeric paint.
I also invite everybody out to continue to support Rain or Shine, not just in the paint industry, but also in the PBA as we move forward.
Magiging maganda to kasi it's an all-Filipino conference. Panibagong mga bata, panibagong mga players ang makikita nyo.
So looking forward to seeing everybody there. Take care, God bless, Rain or Shine.